Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorials. So our topic today is all about combined heat transfer. Here is our sample problem. A flat plate solar collector is mounted on a building's roof. The inner and outside surfaces of the glass cover are measured to be 32 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius respectively. The glass cover has a surface area of 4 square meter, a thickness of 0.5 centimeter, and a thermal conductivity of 0.5 watts per meter degrees Celsius, with a convection heat transfer coefficient of 9.5 watts per square meter degrees Celsius, and an ambient temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Heat is lost from the outside surface of the cover through convection and radiation. Calculate the fraction of heat lost by radiation through the glass cover. First, we will list all the given here in our left side. So after that, we will first find the heat transfer through conduction, since our formula for fraction of heat loss covered by radiation is equal to Q radiation over Q conduction. So Q conduction is equal to thermal conductivity times the area times the quantity of change in temperature over the thickness. So 0.5 watts per meter degree Celsius times 4 meters squared times the quantity of 32 degrees Celsius minus 28 degrees Celsius over the thickness, which is 0.005 meter. We converted it into meter in order to cancel out the unit. So we have our answer here for our heat transfer for conduction is equal to 1600 watts. So next, calculating for heat transfer by convection. So our formula for that is heat transfer coefficient times the area times the change in temperature. So 9.5 watts per square meter degrees Celsius times 4 square meter times 28 degrees Celsius minus 18 degrees Celsius, and we have our answer here for our heat transfer through convection, 380 watts. Next, we will find the heat transfer through radiation. So 1600 watts minus 380 watts is equal to 1220 watts. And calculating for the fraction of heat loss by radiation through the glass cover, so we will use this formula: heat transfer through radiation over heat transfer conduction. So it is equal to 1220 watts over 1600 watts. So we have our final answer, 0.7625 or 76.25%.